Bangkok was once known as the Venice of the East for a good reason. It is a city built on a series of canals, and once upon a time it was one of the most common ways to navigate the metropolis. Today this is still one of the most unique ways to get around Bangkok and avoid the traffic jams. Canal or khlong taxis are cheap and fast. The boats are often very full and the piers are challenging to use, so this transport is only for the fit or agile. The Canal taxi system is based on a stretch of 30 kilometres of canals that snake through the city. For a typical taxi trip, you are looking at paying no more than 20 baht, or about 80 cents, making this a very economical and exhilarating ride, even if the canals do have a reputation for being on the smelly side. The famous Sansap Khlong Express ferry has two lines, which interchange at Pratunam. The khlong doesn't actually split into two parts here, but you must change boats at the pier. There is no need to change piers. Boats continuing in the same direction arrive and depart from the same pier. The ferry runs from dawn until about 9:30 p.m. and stretches along the canal from Lilat Pier near the Golden Mount, which is a 10-minute walk to Khao San Road, and onto Bangkok Pier. The journey from Golden Mount to the BTS at Ratchathevi takes around 12 minutes and costs 11 baht, and Siam or Pratunam Central World are only a few minutes further on. No one wants to fall into this water, so when the boat arrives, jump down from the pier using the ropes as handholds and grab a seat. The conductors walk on the outside of the boat and will come around to collect your fare. They will usually pull up plastic sheets to make sure the khlong water doesn't splash into the boat and onto you. So why not get up close to the local people and enjoy a unique Bangkok experience?